Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. If today is your first time coming across my channel, kindly do me a favor to hit the subscribe button. Hit on the notification bell so that anytime I post an amazing content like this, you will be among the first to be notified. In today's strategy, I'm going to teach you how you can just apply simple price action for entry and then for good exit. So we are going to be using the mobile indicator setups, so that for those of you who are using the mobile indicators for strategy, you can add this to your strategy, so that probably after backtesting it, if the results are something you think you can risk your money for, then you can add it to your arsenal. Now this strategy is very simple, so I'm going to explain to you in details how you are going to use this simple strategy to make the market. Now this strategy combines just two different indicators. We have the window 1 and the window 2. So in your window 1, we have the RSI and the envelope alone. Before I show you the configuration for this strategy, I'm going to explain how it works first before I go to show you how you are going to use this strategy to take your entry and exit using a very small risk. That means your risk management is very tight. You can use it on any time frame, it doesn't matter. You can use it on 5 minute time frame, but there are conditions necessary for this. So the first condition is when you check your window 1, that is your RSI window. If you are going to take a buy condition, the first thing you need to see is, we want to see this line touching the lower part or the down part of your RSI. So when that line is touching it, now to confirm the power of the trend or the strength of the trend, we are going to use your window 2. Your window 2 is your ADX. If you are familiar with my channel, you'll notice that most of my strategy, I like using the ADX for strength confirmation. That means the strength of the trend. I like using the ADX because it helps to tell you if there's going to be more strength for price to move towards the upside or not. So when you check your ADX, you'll notice that though your positive D, which is the green line, is below level 25, while your negative D, which is the red line, is somewhere above your level 25. So with what price is doing now, the positive D is regaining strength, moving towards the level 25. That means it's gathering momentum to move towards the level 25, while the negative D is or will drop below level 25, meaning that there is no more strength or momentum for price to go down. That is what it implies. When you see it coming below level 25, it's just telling you that at the moment there is no more momentum for sellers to push price downward. Now in your main chart, what do you do, or what is your expectation in your main chart? Before you place any trade in your main chart, we want to see an engulfing bar. That means we want to see either a bear, if it's for a sell condition, we want to see a bearish condition, a bearish candle, that means the red candle, that engulf a bullish candle, like the one I'm pointing an arrow to now. You can see the way that bearish candle engulf that green candle, showing that there is momentum towards the downside. So when we have the first condition met, whereby the window 1 line is touching the level 90 and sorry, the level 9 and 10 of the RSI. The second condition, before we take our buy, we want to see the position where our positive DI, which is the green line in your ADX, is. So if your ADX is showing a momentum towards the upside, then the probability of price going towards your favor will increase. Then lastly, using the price action on your chart, because these two alone doesn't give you that full assurance. So what will now give you the assurance of taking that trade or waiting for you to see such move is when you have an engulfing bar in your chart. So though I took this trade a bit late, it was immediately this first bearish candle printed. It was immediately this first candle, this green candle here, printed. That is when I will have entered my trade. Then put my stop loss. You see exactly where I put my stop loss, the swing low. So that is when I'll put my stop loss at that swing low. Then what next? Where is price possibly likely to go to? For those of you who understand the market structure aspect, you should know that this was the move that led to the break of structure, because initially this was our swing low. This point, let me clean the chart so that it can be a bit clear. So talking about price action, this was the move that led to the break of structure here. This was the last point price got to. So immediately price broke below it. Now when we start having a reversal, there's high probability that this is where price is coming to. That means that is why you can see my take profit is at that zone. Is that clear? That is why my take profit is at that zone. So even though price should go against me, what I will be losing here is not even up to 20 cents. Yes, it's not up to 20 cents. So for those of you who have little account, you can use this method or this approach to grow your little account. Is that clear? It works both on Forex, both synthetic indices. So for those of you who are complaining you don't have much capital, you don't have more equity, but you want to trade the Forex market, so this you can apply this strategy to it and then grow your fund. But before now, I have a strategy in place which I call the Millionaire Strategy. If you have been following my channel for a very long time, this strategy is capable of skyrocketing you from just a scalper to a good time trader, whereby you'll be making good profit on a daily basis. Good profit on a thing every day, you'll be making good profit. Though there are softwares in place that is going to guide you as a beginner. Now these softwares is not just softwares that you see on the internet. Also, sometimes you even see all these softwares but you don't even know how to use them. So there are a combination of softwares in place that is going to guide you to understand the strategy properly. There's also a video whereby I have explained explicitly how you can make the market with this strategy. Let me show you, as at today, let me show you some trades I took overnight, the outcome, so that you don't just feel maybe one is exaggerating things. When I said you are going to make good profit, it is a damn serious thing. So these are just only today. You can see today is 27th of July, as at when I was recording this video. So this strategy is capable of giving you good outcome, good results. Though it's a combination of softwares, and then you're going to install those softwares either on your laptop, or if you don't have a laptop, I explained that there is a way out for those of you who are only using mobile phone to trade. There's a way out, and the way out is you get what we call the VPS. So with the help of this VPS, you'll be able to install those software watch the video on how to track entries and exit. It's very simple. You're just giving it your time to understand it. The videos are very simple to understand, and then once you understand it, apply everything I said in that video. That will help you to make much more on this strategy. Now, aside that, there's another. I have everyone who subscribed to this strategy, I created a group, a WhatsApp group. I add them up to do follow-up, because I know some of you will be like, some people just give you softwares and then at the end of the day they don't come up. So there's this group here, you can see there's a group here, a community. Sometimes we even relate on some past strategy where I tell them how to go about it. I don't send signals, so don't come asking for signals. Exactly. So that is that. Let me go back to the chart and show you the settings for the current strategy I'm explaining. Now, the settings for this strategy, you click this icon here, click on this icon, this very icon here at the top side. When you click on that icon, it's going to take you to the indicators home. So click on it. Sorry. When you click on it, your RSI, you're going to set it to period 1, apply to close. Now the levels, level 9, 10, 11, 89, 90, 91, 92. Exactly. So those are the levels. Then you click save. Now the second indicator you're going to add to your RSI window is the envelope. Just make it period 1, shift 0, deviation 0.00, method exponential. All we need is the upper band, nothing more. Then you click save. Now for your ADX, that means the average directional movement index, you just add the level 4. The positive DI is green, negative DI is red. Then the level, just add only level 25. Then the period should be 50. So once you are done, you click save as well. So when you click save, you follow the instructions like I explained earlier. Don't see, just this is on it works both on Forex. Now, just before you go live with it, you can practice it on your demo account. Just practice it to ascertain how accurate this stuff work. Exactly. Practice it before you even go live with it. It will help you a lot to have that confidence. It will build that confidence in you. So you can use it. For those of you who love scalping the market, you can use this opportunity, this strategy to scalp the market and gather profit. But if you want something solid, then my WhatsApp number is in the description below. WhatsApp me. That strategy works on both Forex and synthetic indices. So WhatsApp me on my number, mobile phone number, which is in the description below. Then I'll tell you how to get the strategy. Though it's not free, so don't come asking if it's free. It's not free. So it's very simple to use. But if you just want something you want to be scalping with, this is another good strategy you can apply. It has price action. We are not just following the indicators here. Like I told you earlier on, that we are expecting our negative DI, which is selling pressure, to drop. You can see now it has crossed below level 25, indicating that there is no much momentum for sellers. Again, anytime they are trying to push price down, buyers are there to push price all the way up. So we are also making use of price action here. Is that clear? But if you want something that's going to be giving you over $100 every week, then get that strategy, which is the millionaire strategy I just explained. I'm still going to be sharing mobile strategy with you guys. That is going to be probably giving you little money for those of you who don't have money to get the millionaire strategy, so you can leverage on that. Exactly. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe if you are new, and don't hesitate to share this video. Thanks. See you in the next one.